Now that you have completed an application for health insurance with Philadelphia American Life Insurance Company, or POLIC for short, you have signed up for either Health Saver Plus, HSP, or Health Choice Select, HCS policies, which are hospital indemnity plans and not major medical insurance plans. Most likely to complement these policies, you have also signed up to receive the Enhanced Accident, Critical Illness, and Dental plans. Now you should understand what's next during the approval process and learn how to use your policies. Right after completing your agent assistant application, you will receive an e-verification email confirming the completion of your online application. Based on your answers to the health questions, the underwriting department will determine if a phone interview is necessary. If so, you will be called within 4 business days. The phone interview will confirm your answers to the health questions, and the interview will take about 10 minutes to complete. If you're not available when POLIC calls, call them back to reschedule. They will leave a voicemail. You also have the option of initiating contact by calling POLIC at 855-430-3656 to schedule your phone interview. Only after completing the e-verification and/or phone interview, your policy will arrive via postal mail in 7 to 10 business days. When you receive your policy, check to make sure all personal identifiable information, also known as PII, is correct. Then, create an online policyholder profile at neweralife.com. Using the policy number from the HSP or HCS policies, under the policyholder heading in the menu, go to Policyholder Registration and follow the simple instructions. This will get you quickly registered with POLIC and gives you access to your online account. Afterwards, call Teladoc, an online alternative to traditional doctor's office visits, at 800-835-2362 and give them your medical history so that it is easily available in case of an illness. Now, let's quickly review how each policy will help you. The HSP and HCS policies. You will only have one of these medical plans, and they are your primary medical plans that pay for costs when you are in the hospital and at the doctor's office. Therefore, make sure you have your medical card with you when you go to the doctor's office. These plans pay for a set amount for each procedure, so check your brochure to familiarize yourself with your per-unit payment schedule. The per-unit schedule is also on your health ticket, which we will review later in this video. Remember, the hospital surgeon, assistant surgeon, and the anesthesiologist all get separate insurance payments from POLIC. The Enhanced Accident Plan. This plan is used for accidents and will work hand in hand with the HSP and HCS policies. The Enhanced Accident Plan will pay in addition to the HSP or HCS policies. In many cases, money is returned to the owner of the policy for overpayment when both policies are used during an accident. You may have to file a claim when using this policy. The Critical Illness Policy. This policy is designed to give a cash payout to ease the financial pressure when diagnosed with a critical illness. This CI policy has 2 categories that will pay a lifetime maximum amount for each category. The first category is cancer. The plan will pay 100% of the contracted amount for internal cancer and 25% of the contracted amount for in situ. The second category is heart attack and stroke, which it will pay 100% of the contracted amount. This category also includes 7 other illnesses associated with a heart attack or stroke, but may pay a percentage of these contracted amounts. Consult your brochure for details. The Dental and Vision Policy. This policy is dental insurance with a vision discount. The network provider is different from the HSP and HCS policies because it uses the Carrington network of providers. This too is an indemnity policy. Therefore, it will pay in or out of network charges. Consult your brochure for details. Now, let's examine the HSP and HCS policies and learn how to use them. The HSP and HCS policies are hospital indemnity plans and not major medical insurance plans. These policies use reference pricing in order to be economically effective, thereby saving you money. Why reference pricing? Reference pricing accomplishes the following. 1. A reference pricing model bends the cost curve by allowing you to shop for the best option, thereby reducing claims costs. The discounted difference goes to you, but you will have to pay a balance bill to your provider for an underpayment. 2. A reference pricing model teaches you to engage in medical decisions, ultimately making the best choices for your situation. 3. A reference pricing model rewards good behavior by giving money back to you. This also saves you time when confronted with minor illnesses by giving you the option of using Teladoc, an alternative to traditional doctor's office visits. How to use the HSP and HCS indemnity plans. 1. Your plan uses the multi-plan PHCS network to reprice procedures. When checking the availability of an in-network doctor, be sure to reference multi-plan PHCS and not Philadelphia American Life Insurance Company as the network provider. In many cases, the doctor's office may not have heard of Pollock, but the multi-plan PHCS network is an old and trusted network with many doctors' billing offices already a network member. 2. Your plan has a no deductible clause for outpatient care for the first procedure performed in a calendar year under general anesthesia. This means your deductible is waived for your first procedure in that calendar year when you are put to sleep during the procedure and you go home the same day. 3. Your plan gives you the option of using a concierge advocate service, Caris 360, to find the least expensive medical professional near your zip code. Call Caris 360 at 800-556-8452 before visiting a doctor or hospital for a procedure. Caris will negotiate lower prices before and after a procedure. If Caris refers you outside of the network to pursue the lowest price, commonly referred to as cash price, your visit will not be coordinated with the billing office of the doctors or hospital. Therefore, be sure to keep your invoice or explanation of benefits, which should include CPT codes. When submitting a claim form, you will be reimbursed within 14 days of Pollock receiving your receipts with CPT codes. 4. In addition, Pollock has created a health ticket that you may use at the doctor's office. Before having a procedure done or going on a doctor's appointment, go to your policyholder portal at neweralife.com. If you have not registered, then do so now. From here, you may download, email, text, or fax your health ticket to your doctor's office or hospital. A health ticket may be used to inform your doctor's office of your benefits before your appointment. This way, you will know the costs and the doctor's office will know your benefits before you arrive for your appointment. If you have further questions or need help with understanding your policy, give your agent a call. If you need claim information, call Pollock's Claims Department at 800-552-7879, extension 1331. Remember, the more you know, the more you save.